Amateur astronomy is the observation and study of celestial objects, phenomena, and events by individuals who are not professional scientists or astronomers. This fascinating field allows anyone, regardless of age or background, to explore the wonders of the universe and contribute to scientific understanding. In this article, we will explore the basics of amateur astronomy, its tools, techniques, history, and the role it plays in both personal education and scientific discovery. Amateur astronomy involves the study of celestial bodies such as stars, planets, galaxies, asteroids, comets, and other phenomena from the perspective of non-professionals. Unlike professional astronomers, amateur astronomers often do not work in academic or institutional settings, but rather in their spare time, driven by personal curiosity and passion for the universe. While amateur astronomers might not have access to large observatories or sophisticated equipment, many contribute to the field by observing and documenting celestial events, performing long-term sky surveys, and participating in citizen science projects. The contributions made by amateurs can sometimes even help confirm discoveries made by professionals. The roots of amateur astronomy stretch back to ancient civilizations. Early astronomers, like the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks, used rudimentary tools such as the naked eye and simple instruments to track celestial movements. However, it wasn't until the invention of telescopes in the early 17th century that amateur astronomy truly began to flourish. One of the first telescopic observations was made by Galileo Galilei, who in 1609 turned his newly constructed telescope toward the night sky. His discoveries, such as the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and the rugged surface of the moon, marked the beginning of modern astronomy. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, many amateur astronomers made significant contributions to the field. For example, Sir William Herschel, an amateur astronomer, discovered the planet Uranus in 1781, and his sister, Caroline Herschel, made numerous discoveries of comets. The rise of amateur astronomy in the 20th century coincided with the development of affordable telescopes and the establishment of amateur astronomy clubs and societies. These clubs created a sense of community and facilitated the sharing of knowledge and discoveries. Today, amateur astronomers have access to advanced tools such as computerized telescopes, CCD cameras, and even access to space-based observations through citizen science projects. There are numerous reasons to get involved in amateur astronomy, from intellectual curiosity to a desire to connect with others in a shared hobby. Some of the key benefits include educational benefits, mental and emotional benefits, and contributing to science. Amateur astronomy provides an excellent opportunity to learn about science, physics, and the universe. By observing celestial objects and understanding the principles of light, gravity, and motion, amateur astronomers gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the cosmos. This hands-on learning approach makes astronomy an engaging subject for all ages, particularly for those with an interest in STEM fields. The study of the stars and the cosmos can have profound mental and emotional effects. Many amateur astronomers experience a sense of awe and wonder when they observe the night sky. This awe can be therapeutic, helping to relieve stress and anxiety. The process of gazing at the stars can foster a sense of connection to something greater than oneself, promoting feelings of humility and perspective. Even though amateur astronomers are not professional scientists, their contributions to the field can be significant. By making observations of variable stars, comets, and planetary movements, amateurs can provide valuable data that may not be available from professional observatories. Some amateurs have even made breakthroughs in discovering new asteroids or comets, while others assist in mapping the night sky. If you're interested in becoming an amateur astronomer, the first step is to start exploring the night sky with the tools you have at hand. In this section, we'll cover the basics, including the equipment you need, how to choose your first telescope, and how to read a star map. Before investing in expensive telescopes or binoculars, it's essential to understand the fundamentals of astronomy. Start by learning to identify key constellations, planets, and bright stars. With the naked eye, you can spot prominent features such as the Milky Way, the Big Dipper, and Venus. Understanding these basic patterns and objects will deepen your appreciation for the night sky. While the naked eye is a good starting point, binoculars and small telescopes allow you to explore the night sky more in depth. Binoculars are portable, relatively inexpensive, and perfect for viewing objects such as the moon, star clusters, and even planets like Jupiter. A small telescope, on the other hand, will let you observe more distant objects, such as the planets in greater detail. Telescopes come in different types, including refracting telescopes, which use lenses to focus light and are ideal for beginners. Reflecting telescopes, which use mirrors and tend to be larger and more affordable for the level of magnification they offer. And catadioptric telescopes, a hybrid of refractors and reflectors, which provide high-quality images and are more expensive. Navigating the night sky can seem daunting at first, but star charts and apps make it easier. A star chart is a map of the night sky that shows the positions of stars, planets, and constellations. These charts help you plan your observing sessions by showing what will be visible at a particular time and location. There are also many smartphone apps that provide real-time interactive maps of the sky, allowing you to point your phone at any part of the sky to identify stars, planets, and galaxies. Once you have your equipment and a map, the next step is to find a dark location for observing. Light pollution from streetlights and city buildings can obscure your view of the night sky, so it's important to find a location far from artificial lights, such as a remote field, a rural park, or a mountaintop. To start observing, focus on specific objects, such as the moon, planets, or bright stars. When observing planets like Jupiter, you'll be able to see their moons. The moon itself offers a wealth of features, including craters, mountains, and Maria. As you become more familiar with the night sky, you can move on to more challenging targets, like nebulae, galaxies, and star clusters. For those who wish to delve deeper into the hobby, advanced equipment can provide more detailed observations. One of the most popular aspects of modern amateur astronomy is astrophotography. Using a CCD camera, amateur astronomers can capture long-exposure photographs of celestial objects. These images often reveal intricate details of galaxies, nebulae, and even distant stars. With modern digital imaging, astrophotographers can capture stunning images of the night sky that were once only possible for professional astronomers. Computerized telescopes come equipped with built-in motors and software to help locate celestial objects automatically. These telescopes have become very popular in recent years, as they allow beginners to easily locate and observe objects with little prior knowledge of the night sky. Another fascinating aspect of amateur astronomy is radio astronomy, where amateurs use radio telescopes to listen to signals from space. This type of astronomy allows observers to study phenomena like pulsars and solar flares, which emit electromagnetic waves in the radio spectrum. Amateur astronomers often look forward to certain celestial events, including meteor showers, such as the Perseids or the Geminids, which offer an excellent opportunity for amateur astronomers to observe shooting stars. These events occur when Earth passes through a cloud of debris left behind by a comet, causing the debris to burn up in the atmosphere. Eclipses, whether lunar or solar, are exciting and rare events. A total solar eclipse, where the moon completely covers the sun, is an awe-inspiring phenomenon that attracts amateur astronomers from around the world. Lunar eclipses, where the Earth's shadow is cast upon the moon, are more frequent but still spectacular to witness. Transits, such as when a planet passes directly between Earth and the Sun, provide opportunities to observe distant planets and their movements across the solar system. The transit of Venus, for example, occurs once every 100 years and is a unique event for astronomers to witness. With the rapid advancements in technology, the future of amateur astronomy looks brighter than ever. High-quality telescopes are becoming more affordable, and digital tools are making observations easier. Furthermore, collaboration between amateur and professional astronomers continues to grow through projects like Galaxy Zoo and the Asteroid Discovery Program, where citizens help analyze large datasets. As more people become interested in astronomy, it is likely that we will see even more breakthroughs and discoveries from the amateur astronomy community. Amateur astronomy offers a captivating journey into the universe. Whether you're simply gazing at the stars with the naked eye, using a small telescope to examine the planets, or contributing data to a citizen science project, the night sky holds endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. With patience, curiosity, and the right tools, anyone can engage in the wonders of amateur astronomy and join a vibrant community of people who share a passion for the cosmos.